Alright, welcome back, HGR Tacoma. We have an unboxing today, not necessarily a mod for the Tacoma, but something that's going to accompany the Tacoma. We have a camping trip with one of my buddies that goes by the name of Trail Hunter. So we're going to go camping on Father's Day, and we're going to open this up just to make sure it works and that we know how to use it. Can't even see you. We got ourselves a camping stove. We got camping stoves because we need to cook on our camping trip. So we're gonna open it, test it out, cook some breakfast, and see how we like it. What is this? Alright, so everything in the box so far, we have instruction manual, the stove itself, legs. These have to be the legs. What is this? Oh, like a wind guard. Easy. Easy peasy. Some foam for the kid. Here you go, son. Alright, that was right. Yeah, the legs to the stove. Let's get this set up. This one. Get some propane tank. Bada bing, bada boom. An old supervisor said, now we're cooking with fire. What's going on? Where's this one? Oh, we don't touch that, son. It's too hot. Okay. One answer. All right, easy peasy. Let's go ahead and get some breakfast going. Get some real world use out of this. Got my handy dandy cast iron. Oh, I see now. There you go. Yeah, very hot. What do you want to cook first? You want sausage? Let's get some sausage going. We're gonna get some gourmet graham crackers going for the boy. Don't touch, stop. There you go, nice and cooked. So I'd say camping stove, pretty good buy. I'm probably gonna get a griddle to make things a little more streamlined and faster, but other than that, pretty good. I was able to cook hash brown, sausage, and eggs, all in a fast manner.
All right, so overall, very happy with this product. Super simple to use, super simple to set up. I highly recommend getting a griddle.
And, I think that'll make things a little faster for cooking breakfast. I plan on doing burgers on this too. Some specifics about this: it's called the Camp Chef EX60LW 2-burner outdoor camping modular cooking stove. On Amazon, it's listed at $128, and it's pretty good, pretty durable. Doesn't shake, doesn't rattle. So, has my stamp of approval. Peace.